In today's video, we're going to take a look at the AutoOne LED versus Auxito LED bulbs that we used in our fog lights on a 2021 RAV4. Now, key moments: packaging, install, hardware, and light output. Just skip to light output if you just want to see the output. So packaging's pretty nice. I like how the lights are fully suspended. It makes you know that you're going to get the product in one piece when you receive it. We do have a discount code if you need it, but let's just get into the install. So we have a full video on this. I will link that above. If you are just looking for the RAV4 installation video, we have another video for you to watch. But what's important pretty much with every car is you're going to turn your wheel, open up the fender liner, and that's where you usually get access to the back of the fog light. Just remove this little clip. It's just a little push clip. Then bend this tab out. Just use your finger here. Sorry for the bad lighting. And then go ahead and make some space between the fender liner and the fender itself, and have to play around with the light here. It's a little bit hard to film, but just in there is where you're going to see the back of the fog light. Now, this is the old fog light that we had in at the time from Auxito, and we're going to be replacing that again with the AutoOne. So looking at the two products side by side, on the left here with the blue, you have the AutoOne bulb. On the right, this is the Auxito that we took out. Did notice there that there's three little light diodes on the old one, and the new one has one solid one, which I think is better. And there's this bigger gasket on the new one as well, which makes me feel like there's going to be a better seal, but only time will tell. And to be honest with you, I did actually get a little bit of condensation in my light, so I'll post a picture of that on our YouTube. You can find it later. From the back, there's this little fan style thing going on. I think it's supposed to look like a fan, but they're both fanless. And this one just has a simple design, but it does have these little heat marks in the side. I'm forgetting the word for them, but help dissipate heat a little bit. So side by side, this is how they look. You got a really nice cutoff line there on the right, and just really like it when they were installed. You can just see how bright this is for a fanless LED. That's the output that we were getting from these fog lights. Really nice, really crisp, and very much matched our OEM. And I like how there wasn't two different colors going on. It's just so often that you end up with like a bluish purple color or something when you're trying to get white, and I hate that. I hate that so much. So the white is definitely, I mean, it's got probably more output than the yellow. I don't have anything to measure it with, but it's definitely a better color. And it suits the car, but really more important, I feel like I'm getting better visibility with this for sure. I'll do some more comparison later on if I can, take some nice pictures outside and show you a little bit more about the two bulbs as they work together. But for now, yeah, I think it's pretty clear that the winner, to be honest, has to be the AutoOne white color bulb on the right hand side. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that subscribers to our channel get $100 off any JDM import. And the conclusion for today's video, clearly this one's the winner from AutoOne. Now again, reminder, this is a sponsored video and they did send us the product for free, so we want to let you know. But the proof, it's really in the pudding or the lights. Until next time, thanks for watching. Yeah!